Aswad, come here. Huwag kang magtago dyan. Giaway ka ni Abu. Nagsumbong talaga siya sa akin, no? She told me, ay, Abu fight to you? Goy. Are you fighting with Abu? You are very big cat and then you afraid to Abu. How come? You look like a pregnant. He is not pregnant, guys. He is a boy. Ano? Boy, ikaw? Oh, boy daw siya. Lalaki ikaw, sa? He cried because Abu beat her. Oh, come here. Mamay naman. Ikaw naman nila. Ang itlog. Ang itlog. Sit down lang ikaw, baby. Sige na kayo, nag-rest si mama. I'm tired. Yala, sit down please. Sit down lang ikaw, sit down. Sit down. Behave lang si Aswad. Behave lang si Aswad. Behave. Sit down lang, bibi ko. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down. Sit down, sit down. Behave. Sit down lang, bi. Hindi na ka nagpahinga si mama. Lie down, lie down. Good boy. Good boy talaga ang baby ni mama. Lie down lang ha, kay I'm tired. Huwag ka makulit-kulit kay mama muna ha. Tired talaga si mama. Good boy. Good boy. Aswad, my shoes is same like your color. Aswad. Lie down lang ikaw ha. You must lie down because mama very, very tired now. I will rest and you will rest also. Good boy. Good boy talaga ang baby ng mama na yan na. Good boy talaga ito. Good boy. You look like my shoes. Good boy. Good boy. Love si Aswad. Ay, Sada. Malum. Abka. You will listen to mama ha. You will sleep there and I'm sit down here. Okay? Good boy. I am here in the laundry shop, sitting. Good boy talaga ang bibi ng mama na yan. Good boy. Sit. You will listen what I'm telling to you, ha? If mama said you will sleep si Aswad, okay? Good boy. Nakaintindi talaga siya, guys. He really understand what I want. Now, he will not annoy me. He will sit down. I sit down, lie down, sleep. Because I told him na pagod ako, I'm tired. Inom muna tayo ng karak.